continuing disassembling this 4AFE. I've had a light up here to help try and light up the block as I'm doing the time lapse. But so today we're going to disassemble the front, get the timing components off, flip it over, get the pistons and rods out, look how the crank looks, and go from there. Here's the moment of truth. I don't know what to expect, really. Oily, everything. Oh, there we go. Grab a light. Oh, wow. Dude, look at all that metallic sludge. Wow, it's like snot, dude. That's disgusting. And it's in the entire bottom of the pan. Look at that. Wow, it's disgusting. It's all glittery too. Oh, I wonder if it ate the main bearings. I mean, if this dude had it apart, makes you wonder what he changed and what he didn't. Like, if he had the bomb apart, should have at least changed the pistons and rod bearings. Never been a fan of pan gaskets. Toyota never used them from the factory, except for on their two-piece oil pan the 7A's had. So, let's get the pistons and rods out. Take a look at those, and then once that's all good, we'll have to drop the block, at least to get the rear main cover off. Oil pump also has to come off, but obviously it doesn't have to come off the stand. However, let's go to the pistons and rods. That. There's a little bit of small gouge in it. I don't know if it's normal or not. I'll show you the heat right here. You see that scratch? So. Yeah, that scratch must be normal because it's on that one as well. So. These must be brand new bearings. This one doesn't have a scratch in it though. Look. That one's all good and shiny still. What's wrong with this one? It's oil. Bearing looks fine though. Main caps are on the right way though, I'll give them that. Bearing on this one's got a little bit of wear, nothing too bad. Three down, one to go. Bearings, a little bit of a wear mark on this one. See it? I don't know if you can. Yeah, same mark. It's almost like it sucked in a piece of junk or something. Kind of see it in there. Alright, now that we've got this out, time to take the motor off the stand and then get the crank out, take a look at it, and go from there.
we're on the ground. Wheelie around here to show you what needs to come off. Hand out of the way. Basically, the oil pump, there's a handful of bolts around the face of it, and it comes right out. Go around the back. You know, same thing with that. Just need a couple bolts, and then the rear main cover comes off. And then all we need to do is get the main caps off, and the crank should come off. And Alright, now that it's completely disassembled, looking at the bearings, they don't look bad. A little bit of wear, nothing too bad that I've seen. The 7A, when I took it apart, the bearings were absolutely obliterated. Now this engine fucking stinks, and it was like poop. It was like literal oily poop. It's disgusting. So anyway, so the bearing caps looked fine, and the bearings looked fine. Yeah, I wasn't expecting the oil pump to fly off like it did, but you know, things happen. Crank looks fine, bearings look fine on it, no gouges, no nothing. Hopefully they had this machined, as they did. I'm going to get a measurement on it so I can buy new bearings, even though these ones look new. I'd rather trust the bearings I buy than the ones that some random dude put in. So anyways, that'll do it for now. We're going to get this sent off and machined, and once we get it back, we can start reassembling it. Thanks for watching.